Dear Mr. Ban Ki-moon, I want to express my opinion about the implementation of electric cars that run on alternate fuels such as electricity obtained from the sun, water, etc. I think they have contributed positively to the care of the environment, not to use petroleum products. However, I believe that the production of electric cars has negatively impacted the environment by acidification, by the use of batteries and electric motors that use toxic materials such as nickel or aluminum. Therefore, from my point of view, I recommend you to strengthen your production phases, where cleaner electricity production is implemented. I believe that if current trends continue, a positive socio-economic and demographic impact will be generated in a short time, because problems will be addressed from homes where an entire community. Thus, in the long term, is possible that a gap of inequality develops between the growth of technology and people. This will have greater consequences such as resource scarcity, environmental pollution, etc. So, if we don't take care of our planet, this will be an inevitable planet. I recommend that to contribute to the improvement of the current environmental crisis, government and the United Nations should the political and educational measures that encourage the use of environmentally friendly technology. I recommend that priority be given of technologies that seek to increase the productivity, resources, but not to increase the amount of resources extracted. An example is the use of more efficient light bulbs, instead building more power plants. Sincerely, Marta Anacona.